This video is going to be short and sweet and talking about algebraic proofs. When you are dealing with algebraic proofs or proofs in general, you are always going to have a statement and then a reason why you do that. So statements usually what's going on, and the reason is saying why can you do that. So giving your proof. So you should also label. So this would be my first statement. Whatever statement's given to you, the reason over here you would write would be given. That should always be the first line. Always, always. With an algebraic proof, I would personally solve the statements on the left-hand side first and then fill in your reasons. So my second step, I'm going to have 3x minus 6 is equal to 27. My third step, I could write as 3x is going to be equal to 33. And my fourth step, I could have x is equal to 11. Now on the right hand side with your givens, my second step I have to think, what did I do? How did I get from here to here? Well, I distributed, so I'm going to write distribute. And then again, you have to think, how do I go from step 2 to step 3? I added on both sides of my equation. So this would be the addition postulate of equality, and I would always just shorten it up and put an equal sign. And last but not least, how did I get from step 3 to step 4? I divided. So you could also do division property of equality, and that would be my proof. Right now, I want you to try to do this proof by yourself. And this is what you should have come up with. I believe that everyone should be able to fill out a statement algebraic proof, so solving for x like this. The first one was given. Second one, I subtracted 4x, so that would be the subtraction property of equality. Third one, I again subtracted, so it would be subtraction property of equality. And the last but not least, I divided, so it would be division property of equality. Here are multiple reasons that you can use for your algebraic proofs. The first one would be addition property of equality if you add on both sides. Second one is subtraction property of equality if you subtract on both sides. Multiplication property if you multiply on both sides. Division property if you multiply on both sides. Distribute is if you actually distribute something inside of the equation like we did in the other proof. Or if I had substitution, if I had x is equal to 3 and I know x is equal to 3 and I had a problem like this and I put 3 in for x right here, this would be substitution. From here to here, I put something in for the other one. Make sure you wrote down both proofs, and if you don't know these off the top of your head, you should write these down as a reference. Have a great, grand, wonderful day.